7-inch motorcycle waterproof CarPlay. Host. With a cable at the back. Back clip. Power cord. Bracket. Two cameras. One is 1.5 meters, and the other is 3 meters. This is a 1/3 wire. Sunshade. Instruction manual. All the accessories are assembled like this. Bracket and back clip, sunshade, step-down cable, 1 branch cable adapter. 2 cameras. Host. This 7-inch CarPlay has a rough texture treatment on its exterior, which is very sturdy and not easy to scratch. 2 screws are used to fix the sunshade. Tighten them, and the sunshade will be fixed. This is a fixed back clip. Tighten the screws. This is a 7-inch motorcycle-specific CarPlay, and its screen is made of tempered glass, which is relatively sturdy and not easy to break. The sunshade effectively blocks the light and will not be invisible due to strong sunlight during driving. Then, due to the use of reinforced and thickened tempered glass, the weight of this machine itself is relatively heavy, about 0.5 kilogram, so a relatively sturdy support is required. This bracket is designed with aluminum alloy and is very durable. It is tightened tightly and can rotate 360 degrees. This is a step-down cable connected to the motorcycle battery, and a waterproof connector is used here to connect to the adapter cable. If you like a machine with a camera, you need this cable. If you don't have a camera, you don't need this cable. These are 2 cameras. It's all waterproof design. This is the main interface of the machine, which is the same as the 5004. With its front and rear lenses. And the camera is very clear. Let's conduct a waterproof test. All the machines enter the water. The machine has undergone CE, RoHS, FCC, waterproof testing, and certification.